Firstly, the bird will be scared of you when you will put your hand in the cage, because just imagine yourself, a big hand is coming towards you to scoop up. Will you get scared? Yes, definitely you will get scared. So that's the reason why birds is also scared of you, because they are such a small creatures, and definitely they will get scared of you. Right, Kiwi? Am I right? Firstly, what you need to do is take bird food in your hand and be patient, because when you put hand in the cage, the birds will fly here and there because they are very much scared of you. Be patient and go towards your bird. Just hold your hand like this and let the bird step in and eat. Don't want to eat? Come on, eat. Come on, Kiwi. You're watching towards camera? Good. No, don't fight. Let her eat too, Vita. Come, Cookie. Oh, Cookie started eating from the bowl. And one thing more, if you're taming your birds with food, just remember to remove their water and food 1 hour before taming, because if they will feel hungry, then only they will come to you and have food. Otherwise, they will not come to you and eat the food because their tummies are already full. Just gently apply a water on your hand and dip your finger in the bird's food. Come on, Kiwi. Up. Good. No, stop biting. No. Sometimes my bird become very much aggressive and starts biting me, but you have to be
very patient with your bird. You have to be very calm with your bird's behavior. Bird, come. Good. Good,
Budgie. I'm a good budgie.
Have patience while you tame your bird. I'm so sorry. Please don't eat me. This bird is a little aggressive. If I take my thumb here and there, she started biting me. Ouch. Hey, stop. Ouch. Stop.
Offer your bird a treat. I offer coriander stem, as this is my bird's favorite. So give them as a treat and they will be your best friend one day. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and do hit the bell icon for new notifications. Till then, bye. Stay safe.